Welcome to this WatchmanOne video tutorial where we'll be talking about software updates to your WatchmanOne system and any other maintenance functions required. So to update the software, this can be found on our website. So first of all, navigate to portal.clipspringer.com/downloads. You can also find this link at the bottom of our website. And under other downloads, point 5, you'll then see WatchmanOne Software Update Standard. Click on download. This will then download the file for the software update file. The next stage is open your WatchmanOne browser and navigate to settings, and you'll see under settings administrator area software update. You can then click into the grayed out box area or drag that software file that you downloaded into this area. The software file name will then show in this grayed out area, in this case 60160, and then you click on upload. This process usually takes about up to 2 minutes, and then during the update, the base station will reboot, so you will be logged out of the system. You will now be presented back with the main login page, which enter your main username and password. And if you go to the info tab, under the version, you can see there the software version should now match that of which the software file was. So in this case 6.0.16.0, which was the same as that main software file. That way you know that the software update is being successful. Some of the other functionality under the administrator area is the backup and restore configuration function. This is only to be used in the case of where the base station may need to be replaced out. There is an automatic download of the configuration file every night to the micro SD card, which is placed in the base station itself. However, if you wanted to do an up-to-date manual download, click on download configuration. This will then download a configuration file which will save all the details of your WatchmanOne system, such as usernames, sensor names, and any sensor alarm set points. Once you've downloaded that file, you then would be connecting your new base station to the network and logging into your new base station. In this case, you would then go to upload configuration. So at this point, you'll be logging into your new base station. Click on upload configuration and then select the file, the configuration file which you previously downloaded. Click on upload. This will then upload all those username, sensor names, the alarm set points, and also, most importantly, the sensors will also automatically be reconfigured to your new base station without having to relink on individual sensors. The other area under administrator is called maintenance. Under this area, there's a few maintenance functions which very rarely need to be used. The only one you may need to use on occasions is the reboot function. If you click yes and then enter your password and then click submit, this will then reboot the system. And you may want to do this, for example, if you've reconfigured your site, you've changed some sensor positions. Rebooting is healthy for the radio configuration. The radio network remaps itself, and this may be an instant why you might want to reboot. Under the maintenance tab, there's also this button called log file, where occasionally at ClipSpringer we may ask for this log file. This is where to find the log file button. For further support, please visit our website www.clipspringer.com.